What's up guys? Welcome to the podcast series Tide 2-2 NSD and nga pala, diyan nga pala si Kiefer Ravena sa baba, ano kumpara lang sa
There you
mga
go.
first time pumasok dito sa podcast natin. Along with Graham, nakasama natin since the game 1 of the finals and kausap ko silang dalawa all throughout kahit sa text while the game was going on. It was crazy.
Mm.
It was we didn't know, guys, 'di ba? Till the start kung maglalaro nga ba si Justin Brownlee until we saw
Ah,
him, he was warming up.
Mhm.
And Manong, ikaw, initially, start ng laro, what did you think about Hinebra's win here? Who do you give the, hindi naman full credit, no, but for you, that kind of swing ng tide to the side of
Mm.
Hinebra?
Ah, well, syempre, 'di ba, malaking factor na talagang nag-push through si JB. But then again, I said last night, I'm not gonna be surprised, and I think we all shouldn't be surprised kung maglalaro siya, 'di ba? So which he did. He came out firing. I think first half he was like 7 for 8, 6 of 7, 7 for 8, something
Ganon,
like that.
ganon.
yeah.
And it really felt like there was nothing happened. But siguro ano, it all started when, you know, yun nga parang game time decision si JB. Pero it felt like Hinebra made the first punch eh. Parang nung umpisa kasi they came out firing, ended the
Mm.
first quarter with a 10-point lead if I'm not mistaken. Very uncharacteristic of TNT to give up 31 points in the first quarter. But then again, yun nga, 'di ba, being the underdogs with the
Underdog.
situation of JB. They came out firing, swinging, and a big part of that, especially when he came in, was Jamie Malonzo. Uh, you know, Maybe his career-defining moment after everything that's
Would you
happened.
say career defining agad for
Yeah.
Jamie? Would you
I
say
mean, I would say because it hasn't really been what do you call this? It hasn't really been
the best of
going
the
well for
series? Yeah.
JB, especially for Jamie, especially coming from the injury. A lot of things happening off the court, and this is one way to really bounce back and get your bearings together. So yeah, like what I said, siguro hindi career defining, but it's one game that could really you know bring him to where he was before getting hurt.
Would you say, Manong, welcome to the finals moment for Jamie? Kasi tago nga for the first two. Yung three, lumabas ng onte, di ba? Lumabas na siya. Would you say
Yeah,
this is
yeah.
the one na
Yeah,
welcome to the
I would
finals?
say, siguro parang more than a welcome, na parang just a reminder that he is who he is. That, yun naman ang kailangan mo pag struggling ka eh. You just have to remind yourself who you are. Excuse me, maybe watch a couple of highlights of how you play, and get your confidence back. And, a game like that can change, the complexion of a series and your career, di ba? Hindi mo alam, hindi mo masabi.
Ikaw, Graham, what do you think about the Hinebra win? Mga thoughts as a
Ako,
Hinebra as a Hinebra
nasa
follower.
Manupik Tinebra. Oo. To
So,
win the
ano pa
championship.
naman nung start nung finals preview namin, Graham said Hinebra in five.
Mm.
But that was
And
before all
the
Uh-huh.
developments.
the developments. Go,
Mm.
go, Graham.
Actually, I think the best thumbnail in this video is yung nakaganata. Yung alam mo yung yung mga hidden beach in Batangas, ganun, or the best place to stay in El Nido, yung mga vlogger na nakanganga. Kasi we did not expect this coming from Barangay. What, 17-point game? Although the final score did not tell the whole story. But Jamie
Yeah.
Malonzo, his best game in a game that really matters since Game 7 against Bay Area. Because he
It's been a
exploded in that
while.
game too. Oh, it's been a while. That was early 2023, and we're now towards the mid part of 2025.
Yeah.
Um, but for me, it was all about JB. Yung nangyari, alam mo yung si Justin Brownlee, para siyang yung tropa mong mayaman na laging nanlilibre. Tapos sabi niya, ay, delayed yung sweldo ko. Pwede bang ambag-ambagan muna tayo? Yung ginawa ng Locals ni Nebra, ganun eh, ambag-ambagan sila. Chapit,
Actually.
Jamie, Mabahat Misi,
Stephen Holt played
Stephen
well.
Holt, siya nga yung
Oh.
nag-umpisa eh, di ba? Tapos Scotty
Yeah.
Thompson as usual. So, it was a collective effort, but it revolved around Justin Brown. Like, we did not know until we saw the post of One Sports na nag-warm up siya na parang, uy, nakakatira siya ng normal ah. parang walang apekto sa kanya
Mhm.
yung thumb injury. And then that's the time na maybe he can go at it. I think he's at 80% right now. He cannot
80.
be above 80%. Kasi hindi pa rin siya yung help defense niya na normally yung patapik-tapik, yung kukumit sa help. Hindi niya ginagawa eh. He's not risking it. Pero yung man-to-man defense, it's fine. But he's 80% and akalain mo 80% of Justin Brownlee is enough. Ganun kalakas yung Barangay Ginebra, yung Lucas. Ito na naman, Nico, yung bench na naman, di ba? Balonzo off the bench,
Alonso
Nisi
off the
off the
bench, yeah.
bench. They really I think yun yung naging ano ni Coach Tim heading into game 4 na you you cannot rely on JB but they were still able to rely on him. But even if Justin Brown had a little bit of an off night, I think Ginebra may have survived.
Well, siguro just to add on that, just to piggyback on that, no, I feel like it was more than the numbers that JB brought tonight. It was the morale boosting
Mm-hmm.
factor that the locals really accepted.
Mm-mm.
Because as your leader, he comes out to play hurt, probably shouldn't have played, but he comes out there firing, and now all the locals be like, "Hey, our leader's here. There's no reason for me to slack off. He's out here playing with basically one and a half hands."
Ganun
Diba?
nga
Oh,
talaga. Parang ganun na nga eh.
nine fingers
Thumb
guy,
eh.
9 fingers, di ba?
Wala. Naka ano eh.
Diba? So I think more than the numbers, like what Graham was saying, it was really more of, you know, the morale, the message that JB wanted to send across his team, which was really accepted very well by Hinebra's bench.
Willis Reed-esque, no? Yung that yung he just appeared although yung performance niya past Willis Reed. But
uh,
just the fact that he was there to start the game and hindi siya yung hindi siya hesitant. Kumbaga, Justin Brownlee pa rin siya eh. Di ba? He was still looking for the ball, although he was a bit passive, which we understand because of the injury. But that was enough. Talagang grabe. Grabe yung pinakita niya in this game. I did not expect that, to be honest. Even if he played, I did not expect him to shoot like that.
Guys, ano nangyari kay Troy Rosario? I think 16 minutes, he had to leave, di ba? May narinig ba kayo? Did I miss something? Kasi I was watching in a restaurant. I had to
same,
tone.
same. I just heard dun sa announcer na
He just went to the
analyst. I
locker.
think it
Parang
was
ganun lang.
Gino. Yeah, he just went to the
Really?
locker.
I was not
Man,
able to
well,
follow. But
interesting, but Troy has been playing hurt since the window, so you'll at this point you'll never know. So hoping for the best though.
More of
nadagdagan
a...
pa nung ankle injury niya, no? I don't know if
Yeah.
that was nagging from the window too, but I was not able actually sa ganda nila rin Nebra. Actually, hindi ko na napansin na nawala si Troy bigla.
That means they played well. The fact na di mo napansin si
Oo,
Troy.
oo.
Siguro hindi
Ngayon ko
natin
lang nalaman.
napansin kasi nakita natin si Malonzo talaga nag-step up eh. It
Yeah,
was
iba
his
si
Yeah.
main
Jamie.
position
Iba si
and
Jamie.
things like that. So I would say that was a big factor of not really hindi natin napansin si Troy but yeah, I mean Jamie really played the game of his life.
Outshadowed talaga ni
Yeah,
Jamie.
yeah.
Eh, no? No, if Brownlee came into this game 100%, nawala yung controversy heading into game 4. No question si Jamie yung best player, no?
Yeah.
Hindi ba siya nag-best player? Hindi ba nag-best player si
Parang
Jamie?
hindi
Si
in-announce sa
Justin
Pilipinas
Brownlee.
Live. Ah,
No,
siya
sa
sa
RP, I was
RP.
watching on RPTV. Oo,
Ah,
si
sa
Justin
Pilipinas Live
Brownlee
parang
yung
walang in-announce.
pinili nila Coach Ronnie and ni Coach Jolly Escobar. Which
Okay,
is
okay.
well deserved kasi nga it's
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
more than the
Mm.
numbers eh.
Yeah. True, true, true. I mean, both of them really deserved it. So, I mean, at this point, both of them, either of them would have probably cared as long as they got
They
the
like,
win.
Oh,
we need a
no.
dub, di ba? Hindi mo
Yeah.
care. Paralo ba?
Yeah,
It's a
yeah,
different
yeah, yeah.
question. Moving now on
Exactly.
to the side of TNT, guys. For me, the most glaring part here is Rondé's 5 for 18. He was
Mm-hmm.
checked for. I rarely say this. On the night that he was awarded the best import, Rondé was either checked, was he tired, was he getting bothered by the calls of the referees? What do you guys think about the subpar performance of a RSJ?
Do you guys have the stats of,
Here, sino
Yeah.
sa'yo? I have.
JB?
Yeah. Justin
Sabi sa'yo,
Brownlee
What,
had
what,
Brandon.
ano lang, parang what did JB shoot
from the field?
Program.
He was 9 of 17. Si Brownlee, I think.
So
Yeah,
9 for
9 of 7.
17.
9
So
for
9 of
imagine
16,
seventeen.
this.
yeah. 16 or 17, yeah.
So,
Yeah.
ganito na, let's put it this way. JB was 9 for 17,
Mm-mm.
Mm-hmm.
and Ronde didn't guard him the first half where he was
Yeah.
7 for 8.
Mostly second
Mm-hmm.
half.
So, when Ronde guarded JB, he was 2 for 11 basically. 2 for 10.
No, yeah, 2 for 10, 2 for
And then
2
9,
for
something
10.
like
perspective.
that.
Mm.
So, let's put that into factor as well. You know,
Mm.
Uh,
it's a handful guarding JB, which he did, but we all know that offense is gonna suffer,
yeah.
especially in the finals wherein you play every other day. Di
Mm.
ba?
Mm-hmm.
So, okay, let's give credit where credit is due that,
Mm.
uh, the defensive stops were made against RHJ,
Rage
but there's also a factor wherein when he guarded JB couldn't score as well. He got tired.
Siyempre.
Yeah.
But on the opposite side, in the second half, contrary to the first half wherein Roger was 4 for 4, Calvin was making his threes, Ray was making his threes, although Ray played very well attacking the paint when everything else was denied. In the end, it was the bench of Ginebra making the shots when JB was facilitating. When RHJ
Mhm.
was trying to facilitate, the TNT boys wasn't, making their shots. 'Di ba?
Yeah.
Parang yun yung
Walang
naging
bench help.
difference.
Yeah.
Yun yung naging difference talaga kasi from the first half, nakabawi sila and everything. But second half, Mav, Jamie, and Holt were making their shots when JB was facilitating. So I guess yun yung factor na yun. And interesting on how that game plan will change for game 5 now that it's a best of 3.
Best of 3
So,
na.
yeah, din, makikita natin
Virtual
yun.
best of 3.
Malaking factor din na na-foul out si Poy early in the
Yeah.
fourth quarter.
Yeah.
It's a big factor nga.
Um, Other than the fact na best import the conference jinx. Alam mo yun, yung pag na-awardan ka, di ba, nag-jinx ka, you have normally a bad game. That
Mm.
happens. I've seen that too many times. I think we've seen, since game 2, yung nagkaroon na ng scheme yung Barangay Ginebra on how to defend Ronde Hollis Jefferson. And it's not a matter of Ronde Hollis Jefferson struggling on the field. It's more of hindi niya nakukuha yung shots. Sinabi kanina yan sa coverage. He was averaging around 30 shots a game, I think prior to this series. Last game he only had 13 attempts.
30
So
shots?
30 around 30 shots, near
God
30.
damn!
Oh, 30 shots. I mean, I would have given my arm and limbs to have the right to shoot 30 times a game. But in game 3, he was limited to 13 shots by Ginebra's defense. This game, he was 5 of 18. So again, malayo pa rin dun sa normal uh, shot attempts na nakukuha ni RH. And it's Ginebra's defense kasi kahit sino i-switch mo nga kaya di ba? Other than RJ Barrientos and Scotty Thompson, lahat yun kayang bantayan si RHJ. And they found the way. Nakita na nila yan nung game 2 towards the end of game 2, yung sunod-sunod na stops nila kay RHJ, and it has continued so far.
Would
I
you
feel
guys
like
say
ako siguro sa to context,
mm,
parang, uh, they should probably, they're trying to get rid of RHJ's man, which is usually Jamie
Holt
and
and
Holt.
Holt,
Holt, yeah.
yeah.
And they're forcing the switches, no? And I feel like,
Mhm.
they're holding, I mean, I'll be a little technical on this one,
Yeah.
but they're really holding the screen for too long instead of, having a lot of movement from ram screens to ghost screens to they actually did the ghost screens towards the end wherein Jamie was guarding RHJ, si
Mm.
Nambatak yung may bola, and then si
Oo.
RHJ was just going through ghost screens and slipping and flaring out.
Yeah.
And it worked a little bit. They got a few open shots. So I guess they have to go back to those situations wherein they get to have RHJ on a downhill attack more than just an ISO on the wing, having to pound that ball for too long, knowing that the scheme of Ginebra is actually that. Let him do ISO, let him dance, let him tire himself out instead of two, three dribbles going downhill, making layups and kicking out the ball. So, yun yung tingin kong magiging adjustment ng TNT.
Hindi ganun ka-fluid no? Pag may ball screen lang kay RHJ hoping to get
Yeah,
a
kasi
switch.
bukod sa may scheme na, parang bukod
Oo.
sa may scheme, pangalawa, all eyes on RHJ. Everybody
Yeah.
knows that the ball is gonna end up with RHJ. So if you develop some mobility towards that, I think it could get a little looser
Mhm.
when it comes to RHJ. He's more than capable of scoring and finding a way to score that basket. Pero yun nga, mag-iiba lahat yun kapag pagod ka na, fourth quarter na, di
Yeah.
ba? Bugbog ka na sa lahat ng tama, it changes a lot.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Are we gonna see a lot of passing from RSJ in the next games with his teammates, knowing na okay, ganito na yung atake nila kay RSJ. Guys, we gotta step up. Uh, we gotta get ourselves open in order
Yeah,
to
yeah,
maximize.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, they have a day to prepare for that. Pag pag ganun kasi yung gameplay nila, they're getting a little bit away from the TNT brand of basketball na fluid yung ball movement. Napupunta lang kay RHJ and then ball screen, kukuha ng switch, and then it's not that efficient. The only time it worked was in game one. Other than that, he's been checked. So Ginebra found a way. TNT has seen it for 3 games. Coach Shot is a genius to not be able to adjust in game five. So we should expect a bigger game from RHJ and the rest of the gang.
Manong, asking you like playing under Coach Shot nga for majority. I would say majority ba ng Gilas career mo so under Coach Shot?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it was
Mhm.
under Coach Chop. Would you say yung mga schemes niya dito ngayon was in a way nasisira? They really couldn't get into their flow or more of they're getting to their flow but it's just a matter of ang ganda lang talaga ng depensa ng Hinebra. That's why they couldn't. Or more of the breaks of the game
Well,
coming.
ang maganda kasi dito, no, you'd see a chess match between two very decorated coaches in the
Mm-hmm.
PBA. When it comes to schemes, I know Coach Shot will be able to find a way. You have 24 hours to do that. You probably have walk through tomorrow that can manufacture a way that RHJ can get his touches downhill and with quick attacks wherein he doesn't have to dribble too much. He doesn't have to think about it's
Okay.
just really a shot or a kick out. Things like that. Makakahanap sila ng paraan. I'm sure ang maganda kasi sa Talk and Text kasi magkakakilala na maglaro yan. So,
Mhm.
it's just a matter of like what you said, finding an attack point. Ang mahirap lang doon is who.
Mm-mm.
So that's the advantage of Ginebra, wherein you probably have three or four same sized guys who could actually guard and switch out on RHJ, tire him out, and in the end, if push comes to shove, you got JB to guard him in the end game. So yun.
Great. Guys, our favorite part, no, Manong, favorite part namin to. Predictions for the next game. Start with you, Manong, then Graham. Ito yung favorite part na.
Predictions.
Predictions. How do
Game
you see
Uh,
five.
Game 5 playing out? Sunday.
Sunday. Sino
Hmm.
prediction ko? Ako, prediction ko siguro kung whoever leads the first quarter, finishes the first quarter with the lead, will take game 5.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so tingin ko yon kasi yun yung uh, crucial sa
Oh, ako lang ba?
No,
game
nawala
five.
siya.
Whoever
Ayun.
comes out with the knockout blows in the first quarter, the haymakers, yun, parang whoever comes out with the haymakers in the beginning, keep your opponents rocky toward the end. Kasi yung parehas na team na yan, composed yan eh. Kaya mahirap
Mhm.
malamangan ng malaki ng Talk and
Composed
Text
nga.
or
So
Ginebra.
composed.
Hirap
Kasi,
bumalik, ano?
oo, ang hirap humabol pag yan yung mga kalaban mo. Parang it's gonna take a lot, di ba, talaga to climb a lead, especially pag mga 10 points, 12 points.
Sobrang pagod.
Akala mo lang nakakahabol ka, pero pag tingin mo, 8 pa rin yung lamang.
7 pa rin, no?
Kasi
Ganun.
bakit ganun ba?
Ganun,
Diba?
dami ko na shoot ah.
Parang ganoon, di ba? So, ako tingin ko kung sinong lumamang ng first quarter, I think can tell a story on how the game will end.
Parang kanina, first quarter was Never, right? It was 31-23 from my memory.
Yeah,
Parang,
31-21, something like that.
parang ganun, parang
31-22,
ganun.
Oo,
Yeah,
something
yeah.
like
oo,
that.
tama, 10-point lead.
Yeah,
O,
yeah,
ikaw,
Poyer.
yeah.
Graham, ano tingin mo?
Um,
Bukod,
if
bukod
we,
sa bukod sa Hinebra, ano pipiliin mo?
well, here's the thing, one last thing about this game. Si Japet Aguilar outplayed Poy Eram and Kelly
Hindi
Williams.
rin na
That
masyado na...
that was big. That was big. Remember, sila yung lagi natin pinagtatapat. Yeah, Japet Aguilar outplayed Poy Eram. The thing about this series is, ilang beses na ako nag-flip-flop di ba? But if we see the same Justin Brownlee, um, I think Ginebra takes game 5. Now, yung
Mm.
kalaban kasi ng TNT dito, not only is Barangay Ginebra, pati yung momentum. Ang bigat niyan, tapos heading into a Sunday game, talagang dadagsain ng tao. And I know these players may not be faced with the crowd anymore, but it still is a factor. And what Ginebra bought today is a little bit of a breathing room na, sige, matalo tayo sa Sunday. If sumakit ulit yung kami ni JB, we have Wednesday na makakapagpahinga siya na extra 2 days. But I think Ginebra wins in 5. Here's the thing, Golden Haven, Stairway to Heaven, 7-Eleven, Ginebra in 7.
Yeah.
Nagpa-plano
Yeah,
sa amin.
but
Sabi na
nag-flip-flop na
nagpa-plano.
naman ako. Nag-flip-flop na naman ako kasi naglabas JB. I told you, glass JB, wala na. But
Yun yung sinasabi ni Manong, if JB does not play ngayong, di ba, things could have turned, di ba, it could have been way
wala
different.
to. Wala to.
Kung ni-rule out na siya sa series, I mean, it doesn't have to take a person watching the PBA
Uh,
very close to predict
One
what
last
will
thing,
happen.
Tony Bishop, pakihubad na ulit yung Ginebra short. Parang, no need na ulit, no need.
Okay na,
We're
Tony
good,
Bish. So,
we're good.
Manong, salamat. We'll see you for Game 5. So,
Yes,
you
sir.
guys
See you
will be
guys.
able to... Makita natin si Manong till... siguro kung mag-Game 7 man.
Oo,
Uh,
tingnan natin.
Prediction,
kung...
Nico, game 5.
Ay, sorry. Feel like... Sorry, I'll be the devil's advocate here. I feel like it's gonna be TNT in Game 5.
Oh,
I'm not...
at least even lahat ako kung sinong lamang. Nico,
Actually,
TNT, Graham,
di ba?
Paano pag
Ginebra.
tayo hindi? Paano pag tayo hindi at the end of the first?
Overtime talaga.
Okay. Alright.
Pero yun,
I'm changing my pick again na yung mga magko-comment tayo never in 7 daw.
Never 7.
Yeah.
Kasi Manong, yung mga nagko-comment, naka-follow sila sa mga sinasabi lagi ni Grim dahil sa mga prediction nila. That's why naging favorite part na namin tong
Yeah.
predictions.
Yeah, solid
People
yan,
listen,
solid.
so natutuwa ako. And guys, you're gonna see Manong till, yun nga, weekly. And
Yeah.
ngayong PBA Finals along with Graham and si Mario when he's available. And thank you as always for supporting.
Yes,
Follow
sir.
5-star rating on Spotify. Like, comment, subscribe. 6 Man Podcast. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Alright, adios amigos.